7 habits that will destroy your car engine and gear very fast. The last one will shock you. The first one is revving your car engine very hard when it's still very cold. When you start the car in the morning or any time of the day, let it warm up a bit for some seconds before you start raising it. And what's the point of even raising the car when you're still going to match the throttle while driving? Take note, don't raise this when it's still very cold. Let the oil circulate in the engine before you start raising it very hard. The second one is skipping oil changes or using bad oil. There are some oils that you buy, they're supposed to use for just like a month or 2 months till the next servicing. But some people will just leave it 3, 4, 5 months without changing the oil. Do you know as time goes on, leaving that oil like that start causing wear and tear inside your engine? And there's something called oil filter under this car. If that oil filter gets blocked, many things will go wrong with that engine. Your engine can even get locked. But many people don't take note of this. It's not until when your car engine oil is completely black or it has reduced before you change it. Once you calculate the number of mileage you're supposed to use it, please go and service your car to avoid damages on the engine. The third one is running through potholes or bumps. Once you get to a pothole or a bump, just slow down. There's a part under that engine. If it hits the bump or the pothole, it will damage that engine quietly and you might not even know yet. And it can also cause leakages of oil from underneath the car and you might not even notice. So with time, your car engine oil will run out and it can destroy it. So please take notes. The fourth one is shifting from reverse to drive without slowing down. You just switch it very fast. Something like this. It's destroying your car gear, which you don't know. It's very wrong. Just take your time. Switch from reverse to neutral, then drive, or from drive to neutral, then reverse gently. It's cleaning your car gear if you don't know. Might end up paying huge amount of money to get that gear fixed very soon if you're not careful. So please take notes. The fifth one is ignoring lights on the dashboard. See, those lights on your car dashboard, they are not Christmas lights. Fine, before you bought the car, there might be some dashboard lights on it and you don't take notes. But as time goes on, the lights are holding up. And when people believe because the car is not stopping, it's not giving them problem yet, then maybe somebody told you there's no need to bother about it. Please do bother. Check what is wrong with it first. If it's something you can be using or managing like that, rather than just ignoring it. This process has made many people to lose their car engine, lose their car gears. Maybe a problem that maybe 10,000, 15,000 will solve. You end up buying a new engine of millions or gear of millions. So please take note. If you see any warning light on your dashboard and it's new, please try to check what is wrong with it before you leave it. Might cost you more than you expect later. Bye. The sixth one is driving with low fuel all the time. Bros, don't allow me fuel to finish your car all the time. It's slowly killing your fuel pump. As time goes on, there are some debts under the car tank that as it's finishing the fuel, it's dragging those debts inside the fuel pump. And as time goes on, your fuel pump might just disappoint you when you least expect. So no matter what, that money that you use to buy fuel when the car stops on the road, why not just take that money to buy that fuel and top it so it will not embarrass you? Because at the end of the day, the fuel pump money is much more expensive than the fuel you do want to buy. So please take notes. So before we move to the last one, if you'd like to see more videos like this, follow, comment, share, and like this post. So the last one is driving on the wrong gears. See, I've seen many boys with cars with paddle shifters, and they're trying to use the car on the manual mode, an automatic car, and they are not switching the gears properly. Do you know that thing can destroy your car gear as time goes on? If you don't know how to use the paddle shifter properly, let it be. Same thing goes for manual gears. Just stick to your normal drive and let the car select the gear itself. Your habits of driving on the wrong gear, probably you are using the paddle shifter, you don't know how to count the gear. Some people will drive for a very long time on the same gear 4 when they're supposed to have switched to 5 and 6. Some people don't know that their car has gear 6. So just leave the paddle shifters for those that know how to use it, because this thing will destroy your car gear very soon. Bye.